Only people that know if we're going to have a shutdown are the ones in the negotiating room.
With every passing day that we don't have a budget leading up to the September 30th deadline, it becomes more difficult.
State lawmakers feeling the strain tonight as we get closer to the end of the month deadline for the budget. If nothing is done, Michigan will go into a government shutdown. As Princess Ajante Steverson reports, lawmakers are feeling hopeful they can finalize a budget in time.
Michigan State Representatives Steve Frisbie and Julie Rogers sitting down with just 1 week from the state's budget deadline and a potential looming government shutdown.
Not once have we talked about shutting down the government.
And we have always passed a budget on time by July 1. This is my first time experiencing this.
The last time Michigan had a government shutdown was in 2007 and 2009, but it was short-lived, lasting only a few hours. Both Representatives Rogers and Frisbie say they don't foresee a government shutdown, but if so, here's who they worry about will be most impacted.
Concerns about, potentially not having funds for free breakfast and lunch. The categoricals known as, busing, and that's especially going to impact rural areas.
People will still be able to use their Medicaid. Who gets hurt are the providers. They don't get paid right away in a timely fashion. And they're already getting paid significantly less to provide care for Medicaid patients.
So what's the holdup? According to Frisbie, it's road funding and wasteful spending over time.
It was almost 7,000 jobs that have been budgeted and not filled for the last couple of years.
Rogers does not agree.
Of those 5,000 jobs, about 1,200 of them are DHHS, Health and Human Services, and over 240 of them are currently filled. So when the House Republicans talk about cutting the ghost jobs, we're talking about potential layoffs for existing personnel in some of these agencies. I think Health and Human Services would be the hardest hit.
At some point, I'm fairly confident, I'm extremely confident we would have a budget.
Princess Ajante Steverson reporting. We've covered the progress on this budget or lack thereof extensively. We'll be staying on top of this and bring you updates as soon as we hear more. And for the latest updates anytime, go to our UpNorthLive website or mobile app.